All right, go.
This is Gloria J. Singleton. I'm 75 years old. I was watching TV and I saw Dr. Scott's ad on TV. I worked 2 jobs for 43 years. I did domestic work in the morning. I worked at school board at night. I always had back problems, and I had, lay down at night, I had pains running down my leg. And I kept taking medication for the pain. But I needed to know what the problem was. That's why I came to Dr. Scott. Now I no longer have back pains, and I can sleep nights without pain running down my leg. If you have a problem, you need to come here and find out what the real problem is instead of taking a whole lot of medication for the pain and the pain just come back. And that's why I'm here. And I do not regret 1 minute that I spent here. So if you have a problem, stop by. You won't regret it.